everybody, welcome to Cooking with Claire. I am Claire Olson, the Senior Corporate Chef for Newlyweds Foods. It is April, and this month we're going to be talking about potatoes. I had a really good time this month trying to come up with new recipes and ways to incorporate potatoes into all kinds of dishes. So I am going to walk you through what we came up with. So first off, I made a quiche. I think quiches are really great for breakfast or brunch or for Easter or really for any spring holiday you might be celebrating. In my quiche, I used shredded potatoes as the crust. I incorporated roasted vegetables and a really simple Newlyweds Foods herb seasoning blend. For an appetizer application, I thought I would try making falafel using potatoes, and really it turned out pretty amazing, and I would do it again. I combined potatoes, baked and mashed up, some coriander, a Newlyweds Foods spicy red pepper falafel seasoning, and I just paired it with a little fresh herbs and vegetables on the side, and it turned out great. Next, I worked on a couple of side dishes using potatoes. First up is a tri-colored fingerling potato salad. And this isn't just any potato salad. I used a Newlyweds Foods dill pickle seasoning. So really it's a dill pickle potato salad. If you've never thought of putting dill pickles into your potato salad, I highly recommend it. Try it and you won't regret it. So for this next side dish, I wasn't sure if it was gonna work out, but I tried it and I'm so glad that I did because it turned out really cool. I made an upside down scalloped potato pie. I layered a bowl with potatoes, some Newlyweds Foods cheese sauce, bacon, ham, more cheese. I popped in the oven and baked it. When it came out, we flipped it upside down, and there you go. A little melty cheese on top makes this a really fun and different side dish. The final side dish that I worked on is a gravy stuffed mashed potato. I made my mashed potatoes. I added Newlyweds Foods roasted garlic and butter seasoning. I piped out little pucks. I put in some frozen gravy. I popped them in the oven, and they almost turned out like little savory lava cakes. This is a really fun and delicious side dish as well. Last and definitely not least is dessert. I had to find a way to incorporate potatoes into a dessert. So I used sweet potatoes to make a vegan chocolate brownie using a Newlyweds Foods cinnamon cocoa seasoning. Thank you so much for joining us on this month's edition of Cooking with Claire, and I hope you enjoyed the potato recipes that I presented to you. If you are looking for different ways to use potatoes in recipes, or if you have any questions about any of these products, please feel free to reach out and give me a shout. We'll see you guys next time.